Welcome to Trading Signal Strategy, your smart way to win trades. Let's get you set up in just a few easy steps. Ready to start? Let's go! First, head over to the Play Store and install the Trading Signals Strategy app. Once it's installed, tap the Sign Up button and register your account. Important, make sure you register through our special link. That's how you'll unlock free signals. After signing up, jump into your profile and enter your details. Super easy! Now it's time to fund your trading account. Deposit the amount you want to trade with. Need a promo code? No problem. Just reach out to us. Next, open the Trading Signal section in the app. Copy all the signal data carefully into your trading account. Just follow what you see. Set the amount you want to spend on the trade. You're in control. Now, keep an eye on the signal. Wait for the right moment, when the time hits. Then hit the buy or sell button depending on what the signal says. After a successful trade, your profit will be waiting for you in your account. Simple, powerful, and designed to help you win. Let's make it happen. You're all set. Follow the signals, place your trades, and start winning. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. If you want to make money online, visit inehub.com.